Alright, to get started, I've just added a video clip to my timeline that I would like to speed up. To do this, right-click your clip and go to Speed/Duration. In the pop-up, increase the speed percent value to 100. You also want to make sure that this little chain is toggled on so that your clip's duration changes with its speed. Now, click OK to apply the change, and when I play this back, it's super sped up. For the next example, let's say you only want to speed up part of your video. First, move the playhead to where you want to start speeding it up. Then select the razor tool from the toolbar and make a cut at the playhead position. Now move the playhead to where you want your video to resume at its normal speed and make a cut at that position. Next, simply use the selection tool to select cut out clip and use Ctrl+R keyboard shortcut to bring up the speed settings. In here, just increase your speed percentage like I showed you before. Since speeding up our middle clip going to leave a gap between it and the clips after it, make sure to check ripple edit so everything stays together. And now when I play this back, my clip only speed ups during the part I cut out. Alright, that is for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.